Welcome back to Primal Survival, everybody. So I just wanted to show y'all that it has started to snow here in southwest Missouri on April 20th, 2021. And if you've been watching all my other videos, my potatoes have been outside. I thought fear of snow and cold weather was over, but it is not. So I just got done dragging all these in here by means of brute strength. 20 plants in all, 20 buckets. So they wouldn't freeze to death out there. These are my babies we're talking about here. This is potatoes. You know how important potatoes are? Think about it. If you didn't have no more potatoes, there'd be no more French fries, no more mashed potatoes, no more potato chips, no more shepherd's pie, no more hash browns, no more tater tots. As you can see, the snow is already melting off of the potato plants. It is 50 degrees in here. See, they're dripping. They're actually getting watered right now. I just really hope this hasn't damaged them in any way. I think they'll be fine though. Hey, lessons learned, right? This one was one of the first ones I drug in here. No snow. Above 30, yeah. Well, I will say that was a close one. So let's take a look outside and see how crazy it's snowing. Woo! Jeez, you think it was December or something. This should all be cleared up by tomorrow. But this just goes to show you, even when you think that you're past cold weather in your planting zone, do not be fooled. This is what ancient man has had to put up with for eons. And they lived or died by way of the weather. So alright, thank you for watching Primal Survival. This has been a potato update episode. Thanks for watching. See you later.